Hey there everyone, welcome back to the channel, A Fairy Tale Flavor. I'm Selena and today I'm sharing with you my super easy, soft, and delicious pumpkin muffins. A go-to recipe in the fall. Before I get started, I like to light a pumpkin scented candle while I make these pumpkin muffins. In a medium bowl, I have 1½ cups of all-purpose flour. I'm going to add in 1 teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, and 1 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. Mix together until combined and then set aside. In a large mixing bowl, I'm going to add in half a cup of vegetable oil, a 1/4 cup of milk, I'm using almond milk, half a cup of granulated sugar, half a cup of light brown sugar, 2 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and mix together. Then mix in 15 ounces of pumpkin puree until smooth. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Please hit that red subscribe button. I post new recipes every week. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and mix until combined. Then transfer the batter to a lined muffin pan. I like to use a triggered scooper to add the batter in. This recipe makes 12 to 14 muffins. You're gonna bake in a preheated 350-degree oven for 15 to 18 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean. Once you remove the muffins from the oven, let cool in the pan for about 5 minutes. Then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. You can store these muffins in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 1 week. I hope you all enjoyed this recipe. You can find the full recipe on my blog page at A Fairytale Flavor. I'll leave the link in the description below. And I'll see you all for my next video. Thanks for watching!